What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. Back with another video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. We do product reviews. Products of all types is what we review from different big box retail stores, hence the name of the channel, Killer Reviews. Today I picked up this water bottle. I bought it at Walmart. It was $19.98 and it's 32 ounces. It's by the brand Cirkul. And the reason I wanted to review today is because it caught my attention for the sole purpose. It actually comes with 2 flavor cartridges, and actually at Walmart you can get additional flavor cartridges. This intrigued me because the flavor cartridges, apparently according to the side of the packaging, can flavor your water up to the equivalent of 6 20 fluid ounce beverages. So if you're at the convenience store, for example, and you're buying maybe a Gatorade, a bottle of Gatorade is usually 20 fluid ounces. This is basically 6 of those, and you get as many flavors as you want. At Walmart they have the additional flavors, like I said. This comes with 2. And you save money in the meantime because it's just $19.88, and then the cartridges are like $3 or $4, which is basically 1 Gatorade or 1 20 fluid ounce sports drink. So today I wanted to review it, taste it, and also highlight some of the things that are surprisingly good, which I wasn't expecting. Now at Walmart, actually, I find that a lot of the flavor packets have aspartame in them or added sugar. So first off, let's start off by saying the flavor cartridges for the Cirkul water bottle are healthy in that they have 0 aspartame. At least in these 2 cartridges, I didn't see any aspartame. They have vitamins and also no added sugar. So in addition to saving money, they're also good for you. So let's go ahead and get it out of the box and let me show you some of the features. This should work similar to a Brita pitcher. If you actually look at the side of the box, it is a filter that you insert into the top. It's like a flavor filter. It screws in similar to a Brita pitcher, but this is a water bottle. Like I said, you can get the different flavors. And also it looks like it has a dial, so maybe you can extend this past the 6 20 fluid ounce. Let's go ahead and find out, and in order to do so, let's get it out of the box. Now, first impressions out of the box, you might be wondering, is it missing the cap? You do have to purchase the flavoring to use it. It is not missing the cap. Also, we get 2 flavors in the box. Life Berry on the left without caffeine, and then on the right, Kiwi Berry, 30 milligrams of caffeine. So no caffeine on the left, with caffeine on the right. Let's go ahead, try it out. Okay, now for a first impression. So no calories, 0 sugar, no artificial coloring, no artificial flavoring. Is it any good? Earlier, like I said, what caught my attention, flavor filters that you can swap in and out. So let's start off with a level 1 flavor. There is a dial on the cap, and it does allow you to enhance the flavor between no flavoring at all, so just water, or the maximum amount of flavoring. And what I like about this bottle is BPA free. Let's go ahead, try it out. Actually, it's really hard to drink from, and is actually kind of difficult to squeeze water out of. Perhaps it's filled too high. We'll keep drinking and finding out, but regardless, with a level 1 flavor, it is just a hint of the Life Berry, which is the flavor that we have. Let's go up to a level 5 and see just what that tastes like. Tart. Very tart. Almost like a sour Skittle. Or like that candy Warhead. If you've ever had a Warhead piece of candy, it's tart like that. Okay, let's go ahead and try a flavor profile of Maximum. So, like I said, it goes from no flavoring to 9, and then there's actually a maximum. Whoa! And a level 9 or a level 10 is like 2 Warheads at the same time. The flavoring is built into the cartridge. One thing I dislike actually about this water bottle, it's kind of difficult to drink from. When you pick this up, let me know if you have the same experience. It's difficult to drink from. Where I would recommend drinking this is even at a level 5, it was tart. So a level 3 probably. It's actually kind of difficult to drink from this bottle. It's a nice, stiff, durable, quality feeling plastic, but on a hot day, if I'm parched and want to take really 3 good swigs, it is kind of difficult to drink from, unfortunately. It's like sucking from a straw, just one that doesn't work. Otherwise, I thought the flavoring was good, and I like the price point, $3.47 for the filter. Do you have that experience with the Cirkul water bottle? Pick this up and let me know. Is it difficult to drink from? And also, let me know what you think of the flavoring. I thought it was pretty good, surprisingly good actually. Usually things like this, off-brand, it's hit or miss, but the flavoring was good. The only downside to this water bottle is that it's difficult to drink from. I get hardly any water. What is cool though is you can adjust how much flavoring is in each sip, but also what I found out was you have to drink it between 5 and 1. So you get 10 levels of flavoring. I found it was consumable really only at 5 and below, and I think 5 is even extreme. And last but not least, there is an entire shelf in the water bottle section at Walmart dedicated to Cirkul. It has all the flavoring. They have a couple of different style of water bottle. This one is actually 32 fluid ounces, but if you don't like the flavoring that you get with your water bottle, or if you want a different flavor with maybe caffeine, because there is a caffeine flavor. The ones that came with mine though, I do like. But anyways guys, that's it for this unboxing and first impressions. This has been a review of the Cirkul water bottle. I picked this up at Walmart. It was $19.88. Is this any good? And the answer to that is yes. But Cirkul needs to make the bottle easier to drink from. This is the time to have something like this. And the flavors that came with this one, right off the bat, I thought were good. The only downside to this water bottle is that it's difficult to drink from. Like 20 sips just to get that, just to drink this much water. Let's actually go ahead and switch the berry flavor and try the second cartridge that it comes with, the one with the caffeine. Now, not in the mood for caffeine right now, but I'm wondering if maybe the berry filter is a defect. Enough to spit at someone. The whole point of making this review was actually to taste the water. I wanted to find out if the flavoring was any good, and they are. But yeah, just the more sips I take, the more difficult it is to drink. Unfortunately, too good to be true for this Cirkul water bottle. My name is John. Hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below for more. Hit the bell icon to get notified when we post to YouTube. Share this video with friends and family, and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post to YouTube. This Cirkul water bottle at Walmart is too good to be true. It is simply too difficult to drink from. Like I said, the more that I try getting a sip of water, the more difficult it becomes to drink it. It's like sucking from a straw. Just one that doesn't work. My name is John. I will see you in the next review.